welcome to the final video for Teach Tech Trinity. We've built Noughts and Crosses using C++ in this tutorial, and then this video is just to look through the game, have a quick play of it, and I'm kind of show you how it's working. So we've got our game completely written out code here. We'll close all of the functions with little minus symbols, and we'll just keep open the main so we can see this. Okay. So press F5 or load the game, and you'll see this window up here. So the first thing we've asked it to do is clean the screen. So that's what it's done. Clean the screen, and then we've asked it to print a screen. Welcome to Noughts and Crosses, which is here. We've asked it to display the grid, which is here, and then display the input, which is here. So this bit here in between, obviously when we've got to the display input function, it's displayed it's a screen here. So player 1, it's your go. Enter key is shown to corresponding grid. Okay, so after it's done that, it's waited for the input because it's gone to the display input function, which is this one, and then here at the end, it's waited for check input. So inside check input, seeing input here, it's waiting for that symbol to be added from me. Okay, so I'm going to go top left, Q, okay, and press enter. Now, player 2, it's your go. So I'm going to go, as player 2, I'm going to press A. So we're going to cycle through this, pop some goals. I just called the function now, that's why it didn't work. So I've gone top right with the X's, so I've got all three of them lined up, so I've won. So inside the check status, it's now worked out that one of these conditions has been met. So it's gone from diagonally, so bottom left to top right, which in this case is this one. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. So it's gone 0, 0, 0 here, 1, 1, 2, 2. That's been met. So it says player 1 wins. Press again, play again, or press by pressing any key, or press F to quit. So I'm going to press Q because I want to have another quick go. Okay, not on the code. Q. I want to go. So what I want to do now, I want to make it draw. So I just want to test it to make sure it's working. That's all I'm doing. So C, make sure I don't win. X next, and then 0, and then X. So now I've filled. I've won. It's a draw. Cool. So I've done that. Filled the square up. There's no winners. So it's a draw. So inside that check status, this time, instead of none of them have been met, it's gone to this one, else if all of the boxes have been filled. So it's done rows times columns, which we know we've already set up here. We've set rows times columns as 3. So if filled square is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9, then show to screen, it's a draw. So show to screen, it's a draw. And then in play, set the game to false because it's now not running again. Okay, so that's it. That's the game done. We know it all works. You can test it a few times, and then it will always work from that. So that is a basic Noughts and Crosses game in C++. Hopefully this was helpful. I always use this as one of the starter activities for teaching people programming because it breaks up the functions separately and it shows you what variables do, and it's kind of a simple game to work out. One of the ones we used to do was Connect 4, and it was a lot more complex because there's obviously a lot more mechanics that go into Connect 4. It's not just 4 lined up, it's like dropping the pieces from the top into certain areas and how it works. So this is a nice simple way of beginning your programming experience and hopefully understanding some of the basic concepts. Thanks for listening. Out.